Because at Reiner Rentals, it's not just a rental, it's home.
Train leaves at 3. Shouldn't you be back? Can't wait to get rid of her. Thank you very much. Oh, how do you do? So thrilled to keep a magazine next to doing this. Oh, you know overdue, Miss Fisher. Thanks. Chris would like to see some pictures of your kids. Garcia, what is this? Let me start with a real toughie. Some creep. It's nothing more than a soft boiled pearl. The boiled house milk of the food big sugar free. It's so wonderful to reflect my own experience of love and safely thankful. Something special to share.